Hi everyone, my name is Ghazal, and today we're going to talk about EconSight, which helps people see economic facts that large markets ignore. The problem that EconSight tackles is about data being slow. When you look at GDP, you see it arrives months late. When you look at large models, you see many of them missed events like 2008 or COVID-19. All this said, I think we need faster and better market signals. And that's what EconSight is all about, because EconSight makes it possible for us to create markets on any number. For example, we want to know about the growth in the number of startups in a specific region. These sort of unusual indicators, And because it's solana-based, the trades are settled in less than a second and makes it possible for us to deliver answers well before government reports. How do we achieve this? By combining ideas of experts, fast speed of blockchain, and trusted deep research oracle. All these together, we can create a unique and reliable market signal. When you look at the numbers, you see that spending on special data is going to hit about $135 billion in just 3 years. And prediction markets are already moving about $20 billion during 1 year, for 1 year. What is not covered, though, is the small and local numbers, and that gap is ours. So as I mentioned, EconSight is Solana-based, and Solana gives us subsec finality. As soon as a market is resolved, the oracle fetches the official answers, signs it, and stores it on the chain. We also have smart contracts where the money and funding are kept safely. So it's a combination of wisdom of crowd and ML AI, which makes it more accurate compared to traditional old school surveys. How do we make money? By selling data. And by data, I mean wisdom of crowd. By charging 0.2% on every trade. By creating APIs. By creating markets, custom markets. Why do I think we win? We win because all data is expensive, sometimes thousands of dollars, and late, whereas our data is real-time and online and way cheaper. Every resolved market grows a private data set that no one can copy. So this was a brief overview of EconSight. I've already recorded the demo. Hopefully you can see the Explorer that I'm sharing here. It's a very short demo, and it's MVP, so I'm focusing on binary questions, but at least it gives you some idea. So let me just run it. Here is the where you can enter you can create your market. Here, for example, I'm asking, will Austin become a top 5 US startup hub by the end of, for example, 2024? And because I'm using 2024, because we are actually fast forwarding, I have to work on that pop-up. But anyway, the market was created here. You can see you have 2 options, yes and no, and you can see the share, the price of each share here. I'm using LMSR, so based on the probability, the price is going to change. Right now, it's not realistic. It's only one user and it's only me, but at least it gives you some idea how it works. So you can see the price of each share. And as soon as the market is closed, actually I closed it very quickly, and it's already expired. So you can market is resolved, and the oracle fetches the answers, and it's time for you to claim rewards. And I had bought 1 or actually 10 no shares, so it's a very small reward, but it worked. Anyway, that was a very quick overview of the application and how it works.